students of class 12. Welcome online classes of session second 2020 and 21. Today's we study about the preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes, such as methods of preparation of alkyl and arene halides. Point first, from alcohol. From alcohol, we see that different ways to prepare alkyl halides, such as alcohol react with HCl in the presence of zinc chloride, that is also known as Lucas reagent, and form alkyl halides RCl. OH group displace and produce RCl and liberation of water molecules. And second cases, alcohol react with sodium bromides in the presence of sulfuric acid, produce RBr, alcoholic group convert into bromide group, that is alkyl halides, and byproduct sodium bisulfates. And third, alcohol react with PX3. PX3 acts such as chloride bromides and produce RAX. In this condition, in this reaction, OH group also displaced by halogens and form RAX and H3PO3, that is a byproduct. And third points are OH alcoholic group displaced by PCl3 and produce RCl, and that is byproduct. And third case, next case, alcoholic group react with red phosphorus in the presence of halogens and produce alkyl halides. And last, alcoholic group react with SOCl2 thionyl chlorides and produce RCl, and that is byproduct. So in this preparation of alkyl halides from alcohol, that is different ways by which alcohol group convert into alkyl halides group, so on. Second, preparation of alkyl halides from hydrocarbons. From hydrocarbon, we see different ways to prepare alkyl halides, such as first by free radical mechanism, second by electrophilic substitution, third by Sandemie reaction. These are three conditions by we prepare alkyl halides with the help of hydrocarbons, such as we discuss. Point first, by free radical mechanism. Free radical mechanism such as coordination, burnation of alkanes give a complex mixture of isomeric, mono and polyalkanes, which is difficult to separate a pure compounds such as CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3 react with chlorine in the presence of sunlight or heat to produce CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2Cl and CH3, CH2, CH2, I'm sorry, CH, Cl and CH3. These are isomeric mixture from N-butanes. These are very difficult to separate from each other. So from hydrocarbon, free radical mechanism is the not best method for the preparation of alkyl halides, but we also find a mixture of isomeric alkyl halides such as N-butanes react with chlorine, the presence of sunlight or heat produce one chlorobutanes and two chlorobutanes. These are isomeric mixture. Next, by electrophilic substitution, reaction for the preparation of a halide, that is best method, such as these are toluene react with hydrogen compounds H2 such as chlorine, bromine, so on. Iron, that is catalyst, reaction in dark condition and produce that is ortho hydrotoluene and that is para hydrotoluene. Ortho and para hydrotoluenes. The ortho and para isomer can be easily separated due to large difference in their melting points. These orthohalotoluenes and parahalotoluenes are easily separated because these have large melting points. Electrophilic substitution of iodine are reversible reaction, and fluorination does not take place because fluorine is very reactive element, so fluorination does not take place, but iodization, bromation and coronation also possible. Iodination, that is reversible, so we use strong oxidizing agent for addition such as SNO3 and HiO4. These are strong oxidizing agents we use for the iodination reaction. Next, for the preparation of alkylides, Sandmeyer reaction also, that is very important reaction. That is option number C, Sandmeyer. Sandmeyer reaction. When a primary aromatic amines dissolve are suspended in cold aqueous metal with the help of sodium nitrite and halogen acids, primary amines react with sodium nitrite, NaNO2 and halogen acids and produce diazonium salt. Diazonium salt react with cuprous halides, catalyst and produce aryl halides. That is also known as benzene, diazonium, salt, that is aryl halides. So Sandler reaction also used in the preparation of halides. Firstly, primary amine react with sodium nitrite and halogen acid form a benzene diazonium salt, that is very important salt compounds, which is also used in the preparation of various organic compounds. And benzene diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium salt react with cuprous halides and produce halides.